Good morning, student of class 1. I am your computer teacher Sonjit sir. Hope you all are fine. Today I am going to discuss some MCQ question answer. Okay, discuss some MCQ question answer. As all of you know that the school has already declared the examination dates, which is 21 September. Okay, the examination is starting from 21 September. Okay, so we need to discuss some MCQ question answer to clear the concept. Okay, so let's start. Here you can see the syllabus of first term examination. I have already completed all the 4 chapters, and I hope that all of you read the chapter properly. Okay, read the chapter properly and learn the question answer from this chapter. So move on to the question answer section. Okay, here you can see tick the correct option. Okay, tick the correct option. First of all, we need to know what the question is want. Okay, the we need to read the question properly and understand what the question want. Okay, first question is we use the computer to dash. We use the computer to dash. Okay, first option is iron clothes. We never use the computer to iron clothes. Okay, so first option is incorrect. Next is type letters and the other documents. We use the computer to type letters and other documents. This statement is correct. Okay, play with a baby, this statement is incorrect. And ride a bicycle, this statement is also incorrect. So option number 2 is right. Okay, type letters and other documents. So we use the computer to type letters and the other documents. Okay, next question is the dash is a man-made thing. Here you can see the following option: machine, peacock, earth and water. Okay, last 3 option, peacock, earth and water, all are the example of natural things. Okay, all are the example of natural things. So number 1 option is correct. The machine is a man-made thing. Okay, next question is the computer can be used in where? Okay, the computer can be used in where? First option is washroom. We never use the computer in washroom. C, we never use the computer in C. Okay, next is office and last is shower. Okay, so option number 3 is correct. We use the computer in the office. Okay, with the computer can be used in the office. Next is the dash is a type of a machine. Okay, here you can see the option pen. First option is pen, next is wall, next is paper and last is books. Okay, so last 3 option is not a machine. Okay, only one option, option number 1 is pen. The pen is a type of a machine. Okay, next is question number 5. This is a type of a computer. This is a type of a computer. Number 1 option is telephone, number 2 is option is movie screen, number 3 is tablet, number 4 is headphone. So these are the all these options are example of a machine. But here you can see the question is dash is a type of a computer. That means the question is want to know that the which is a type of a computer. Okay, so telephone is not a type of a computer, movie screen is not a type of a computer, tablet. Okay, tablet is a type of a computer. We all know that tablet, desktop and laptop is a type of a computer. So option number 3 is correct. Okay, next is the dash is also called the brain of a computer. This question is very easy. We all know that the CPU is also called the brain of a computer. Okay, so move on to the next question. We can point things on a monitor by using which device? First is keyboard, next is mouse, last is monitor and none of these. Okay, that means we all know that the mouse helps us to pointing things on a monitor. So option number 2 is correct. We can point things on the monitor using mouse. Next is the dash can print pictures on a paper. Okay, the dash can print pictures on a paper. First option is scanner, next option is printer, last the third option is monitor and last option is mouse. Okay, so we all know that the printer can print pictures on a paper. Next is the result of all calculation are shown on where? Okay, the scanner. First option is scanner, next is printer, next is monitor and last is none of this. None of this means these all these options are incorrect. When the all the options are incorrect, we can tick none of this option. Okay, so here you can the question is the result of all calculation are shown on the monitor. okay, shown on the monitor. So option number 3 is correct. Next question is, the dash has the letters of alphabets, numbers and other keys. We all know that the keyboard has the letters, alphabets, numbers and other keys. Okay, so question number 10 is option number 2. The keyboard has the letter of alphabets, numbers and other keys. Next is, from the following option, which is a part of a computer? This question is very important. Okay, from the following, which option is a part of a computer? First is monitor, next is keyboard, next is mouse, and last is all of this. That means we all know that monitor is also part of a computer, keyboard is also part of a computer, and mouse is also part of a computer. So option number 4 is correct. All of these, mouse, keyboard and monitor, all of these are a part of a computer. Okay, so option number 4 is correct. Next is, dash is used to take a print on a paper. Dash is take to print on a paper. So first of all, monitor we unable to print anything on by using monitor. CPU is an incorrect option. Next is keyboard is also incorrect option. So the answer is not given here, so we can use the none of this option. Okay, we can tick the none of this option because the main answer is not given here. Okay, so we tick none of this option. Next is, all calculation are done by UPS, monitor, CPU and the printer. Last option is printer. We all know that the all calculation, when we input some data in the computer, all the calculation are done by the CPU. Okay, so question number 13 is CPU. Option number 3, CPU is the correct answer. Okay, next is, dash is the screen of a computer. Dash is the screen of a computer. Option is keyboard, mouse, monitor and none of this. So we all know that the monitor is the screen of a computer. Okay, I hope that all of you understand the concept of MCQ question answer and how to answer this question, MCQ question in the examination. And all of you have to read the chapter very carefully. Okay, read the chapter very carefully because the MCQ question basically coming from the inside the chapter. Okay, inside the chapter. So I am ending my discussion here. I will discuss some sample MCQ question answer in my next video. Okay, so but all of you have to read the chapter very carefully. Okay, read the chapter very carefully. Okay, so till then, take care, goodbye and thank you.